So in this practice, underwater swimmers see the moons at the apparent angle of the 60 degrees above the horizontal. What is the actual elevation angle of the moons above the horizontals? This is the air and the waters. The person sees the moons 60 degrees. So swimmer is see the 60 degrees. So this is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees, the moons. So this is 60 degrees. So this means 30 degrees. 30 degrees. The swimmer sees the moons here. Right path is for the swimmer under the water is path is here, but actual path is coming from this region. This is the moons, position of the moons. And I would like to find out these angles, alpha. Then we can use Snell's laws. N sub air sine alpha equal N sub water sine 30 degrees. So alpha is the inverse of the sine functions N sub waters over N sub air times sine 30 degrees. And if you substitute all the numbers, it's use the calculators. 41.78 degrees. The answers, but we would like to find this angle. Actually, this is the answer. Answer to this question is that you have to subtract 90 degrees minus alpha. It becomes 48.2 degrees. So 48 degrees. This is the answer to this practice.